Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna replace this bumper. Well, I already started it. I forgot to record, but yeah, this shit, you know how this shit happened. Tire blew up. So yeah, this is RT. So basically this shit, the proper way to do it is there's a bolt right here and two clips holding it. You just undo those and take off this bolt. And then this shit just pops out. And remove the light, just push it back in. So now basically, all you do is well, I did this side already. But this side, you just undo the screw, take these out, and you just move it out the way. And there's like 3 screws in there. See, I'm about to undo this and show you guys. So yeah, how I said, just undo this screw, pull those clips out. And this shit just... Yeah, you see those 3 screws right there? You just undo them, and the headlight just pops out. And the screws right there. Just undo this and these 2 clips. It should come out. 8mm. So yeah. So basically all I did was just loosen them up. I'm pretty sure you could just undo them with your hands. Yeah, look. Just undo it. Just undo them with your hands and it should pop out. So now you just remove this gasket. It's stuck on there, bro. Just stick it back. So yeah, you probably gotta get double-sided tape. But yeah, basically, this shit just pop out. Right there. Just undo this clip right there. Just push it in. Just come out. So now you just undo this bolt to a 10mm. Yeah, how I said, it's a 10mm bolt. Basically, I'll just need a 10 and an 8. Put them right there. It's not going to be 100% because there's some brackets over there. Here, I'll show you. Look at, see that bracket? This is where it clips in. Because the wheel exploded, it blew that shit off. So yeah, look at that shit. So probably what I'm about to do is I need a new wheel liner too. I think I'm gonna just low-key put a screw like right there, right here on this plastic, and just drill it up here, like 1 or 2, so it could just stay like that. And there's like 3 clips that clip in still, so I'm gonna just clip those in and just screw it right here while I get the liner, and then I'm gonna order a new piece of this. So yeah, just look like this. These are the lights, the cables for the light side markers. Gotta undo them off the bumper. And this is for the rear, the license plate light, which I gotta take off. Forgot to. Just 2 screws, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and then you just transfer this shit onto the new bumper. Yeah, it's right there. runs through right here. So I'm gonna just do that. So yeah, basically it just came off. You gotta undo all these cables. It's looking like it's looking devious. Shit, man. Just right out like this. Look at this shit, man. Alright, so now that this shit is off, yeah, you can tell it's fucked up. Just gotta undo this, like 4 clips and then 2 bolts here. And just transfer this thing onto this. So yeah, just undid all the clips. Shit just, yeah, cut myself. This shit just comes out. It's a new one. Same way, just line it up. Just put those screws back in with the clips. And just pop it in. So yeah, I'm gonna do this shit real quick. So yeah. So now you just put all those cables back where it was on this shit. After that, it should be good. So I'm gonna do that shit real quick. I need to buy a tripod so I can show you. It is pretty simple. You guys can, you know, run a cable.